आनन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याधिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि.
Nityanandam, we welcome you all with our love and respects to this morning's Pratyaksha Pada Puja. We welcome all Kailaya-vasis connecting from all around the world, sitting with us through Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and Nityananda TV, joining us for the most beautiful time of the day, Pratyaksha Pada Puja. Pratyaksha Pada Puja is the time we connect with the divine, with Paramashiva in the form of our Guru, our beloved Swamiji, in the form of His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam. Before entering into the Pratyaksha Pada Puja today, let us now hear the verse number 151 from Sri Guru Gita, the beautiful revelations from Paramashiva to Devi Parashakti.
मन्त्रराजम् इदं देवी गुरुत्यक्ष्वा शरद्वयं स्मृतिवेदपुराणानां सारमेव न संशयः मन्त्रराजम् इदं देवी गुरु त्यक्त्वाक्षरद्वयं स्मृतिवेदपुराणानां सारमेव न संशयः. Will we sing the translation of this verse? The translation of this verse says, the two-lettered word Guru, O Devi, is Mantra Raja, the king among the mantras. It is the essence of the Vedas, Smritis and Puranas.
Wow, what a beautiful verse indeed. Just like how Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam told us few days back in the satsang, the Guru Mantra is the ultimate Mahavakya for all of us, the Nityanandaites. So, just like the devotion Lord Hanuman had for Sri Ram, where he won over Lord Sri Ram himself by chanting Sri Ramajayam, let us now, each one of us, imbibe and absorb ourselves in the devotion towards our Master, our Guru, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam by chanting the password, the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Let the Mahavakya reverberate in each cell of our being.
Nityanandam. Before we begin the Pada Puja and the Parameshwar Puja today, we request all the Pada Puja participants and everybody else who is participating in this puja physically here and online to declare the following with integrity and authenticity. If you agree to this, please say yes loudly. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that cosmic energy exists. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that His Divine Holiness Swamiji, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, the Guru Padukas and the Atmalinga are the Chinmaya Vigrahas, embodiment and representation of that very cosmic energy. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth that whatever I offer during the Pada Puja to Swamiji, His Divine Holiness Swamiji, and the Paramashiva Puja to Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti will reach the cosmic source of energy directly. Yes. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand and declare the truth of Soham Asmi, that even when I worship, I am Him. Yes. Let us now enter the Pratyaksha Pada Puja, followed by the Paramashiva Puja. Sadguru Vandanam.
Nityanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gaganasadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadhi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami.
The next is the Guru Parampara Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra.
Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Samarambham Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam.
The next is the Arunagiri Yogeshwara Vandanam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and close your eyes and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra.
Lalate Tripundri Nitilakrita Kasturi Tilakaha Spuranmala Dhara Spurita Katikaupi Navasanaha Dadhano Dustaram Shirasi Phanirajam Chashikalam Pradipas Sarvesham Arunagiri Yogi Vijayate.
The next is the Tattvachamanam. Keeping your right hand, pour one Uddharani water from the Panchapatram and chanting each of the following mantras internally, drink the water that flows through the base of the palm. Om Atmatattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Om Vidyatattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Om Shivatattvam Shodhayami Svadha. Chanting the following mantra internally, wipe the upper and lower lips twice using the base of the right hand thumb, moving the hand from right to left of the lips. Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the tips of the right hand index, middle and ring fingers, touch above the upper lips and below the lower lips. With the tips of the right hand index finger and thumb joined together, touch the right nostril and left nostril. With the tips of the right hand ring finger and thumb joined together, touch the right eye, right ear, left ear. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the base of the right hand thumb and little finger, touch the navel, right chest and the left chest. With the right hand fingertips together, touch the top of the head, right shoulder, left shoulder and the heart center. Now please take the akshata in your right hand, clench your hands and Tap the sides of your forehead 5 times along with the mantra.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantayet.
Pranayama. Continue to keep the akshata in your right hand. Now, only open the little finger, ring finger, and the thumb. During the pranayama, use the thumb to close the right nostril and the ring and little finger to close the left nostril. Closing the right nostril, inhale slowly through the left nostril. Once you have inhaled fully, close both the nostrils and hold the breath inside as long as possible. Exhale through the right nostril alone, very slowly. During the inhalation, retention, and exhalation, chant the following mantras 3 times internally. Om Hum Ishanamudhaya Namaha, Om Him Tatpurushavaktraya Namaha, Om Hum Aghor Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Vamadeva Guhyaya Namaha, Om Hum Satyojatamurtaye Namaha, Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikhaye Namaha, Om Him Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hum Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Hastraya Namaha, Om Hum Ishanamudhaya Namaha, Om Him Tatpurushavaktraya Namaha, Om Hum Aghor Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Vamadeva Guhyaya Namaha, Om Ham Satyojatamurtaye Namaha, Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikhaye Namaha, Om Him Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hum Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Hastraya Namaha, Om Hum Ishanamudhaya Namaha, Om Him Tatpurushavaktraya Namaha, Om Hum Aghor Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Vamadeva Guhyaya Namaha, Om Ham Satyojatamurtaye Namaha, Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikhaye Namaha, Om Him Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hum Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Hastraya Namaha. Sankalpa. Now keeping the akshata in your left palm and close it with your right palm, keep both the hands on the right thigh, chant the following mantra and then drop the akshata down in the north at the end of the mantra.
Mamopata samasta duritakshayadvara Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Pridyadam Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Pridyardham Cha Shubhe Shobhane Muhurte Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Paradhe Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivasvatamanvandare Ashtavimshatidame Nitya Yuge Prathame Jambudvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakande Meroho Dakshine Bhashve Shakabde Asmin Vardhamane Vyavaharike Prabhavadinam Sashtyaha Samvatsaranam Madhye Vikarinam Samvatsare Uttarayane Lakshmi Venkateshwara Rito Jeshta Mase Krishna Pakshe Panchamyam Shubhadito Guruvasara Yuktayam Uttarashadha Nakshatra Shubha Yoga Kaulava Karana Evam Guna Viseshana Visishtayam Asyam Shubhadito Shri Kailasonnata Dvadasham Tashyamala Pitharudha Shri Meenakshi Sundareshwara Bhinnaswarupa Parashivaputra Ratnakumara Gurumanyadulyavatara Shri Parvati Sanyapana Labdha Divya Jnana Vishtuta Sakala Nigama Gamasara Bhuta Dravida Veda Pravatre Shrimat Paramashiva Karuna Samadhigata Muktamaya Chaturashrayana Giyamana Chatra Chamara Shri Chinnaka Haladi Samasta Birada Valyalankrita Jnana Vijnana Chakravarti Sarvajana Sankha Sadyo Nirvana Diksha Vyapa Varga Varsha Vishrana Jimuta Paramata Kalabhakesari Shaiva Siddhanta Sthapanacharya Shri Rajadiraja Pandya Maharaja Guru Kshapana Shakyadi Mahamdakara Nivarana Jnana Bhanu Vikshana Narhara Dvajochedana Purvaka Shrimad Vrishabhadvaja Sthapaka Shaiva Samaya Katre Sarvajna Pitharudha Shri Jagadguru Shri Jnana Sambandha Deshika Swami Vagisha Sundara Manikya Vachaka Swaminam अवतारभूत श्री ज्ञानसम्बन्ध स्वामी पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ महासंस्थानं ज्ञानसाम्राज्यशासक सर्वज्ञपीठारूढ
तृणवत्युत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत सूर्यवंश सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गी साम्राज्य शासक महानिर्वाणि पीठस्य अष्टोत्तरसहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वर अटलपीठस्य अष्टोत्तरसहस्रतम अष्टोत्तरसहस्र श्री अटलपीठाधीश्वर धर्ममुक्तिस्वर्गपुरस्वर्णपीठस्य त्रयोविंश गुरुमहासन्निधान श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्य सच्चिदानन्द प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्यमंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रजित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कत्र कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थं तेषां पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थं क्षेमस्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थं मम समस्त दुरितोपशान्त्यर्थं समस्त मंगलावाप्यर्थं भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञानवैराग्य जीवन्मुक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थं श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव अवतारभूत श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूप भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परम शिव प्रत्यक्ष पाद पूजां करिष्ये श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परम शिव पूजां च करिष्ये ओम अप उपस्पृश्य घंटानाद ओम आगमात्तन्तु देवानां गमनात्तन्तु राक्षसां घंटानादं करोग्यातो देवताह्वानलाञ्छनं घंटादेवताभ्यो नमः. The next is the Manasa Puja. Please place your hands in the Kurma Mudra and offer the flowers at Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra. Om Hritpadmamasanam dadyat सहस्रारच्युतामृतैः पाद्यं चरणयो दद्यात् मनस्तु अर्घ्यं निवेदयेत् तेन अमृतेन आचमनीयं स्नानीयं तेन च स्मृतम् आकाशतत्त्वं वस्त्रं स्यात् गन्धः स्यात् गन्धतत्त्वकम् चित्तं प्रकल्पयेत् पुष्पं धूपं प्राणान् प्रकल्पयेत् तेजस्तत्त्वं च दीपार्थं नैवेद्यं स्यात् सुधाम्बुधिः अनाहतध्वनिर्घण्टा वायुतत्त्वं च चामरं सहस्रारं भवेत् छत्रं शब्दतत्त्वं च गीतकं नृत्यमिन्द्रियकर्माणि चाञ्चल्यं मनसस्तथा सुमेखलां पद्ममालां पुष्पं नानाविधं तथा अमायाद्यैर्भावपुष्पैः अर्चयेत् भावगोचरम् अमायं मनहङ्कारम् अरागं ममतं तथा अमोहगं मदम्बं च अद्वेषाक्षोभकौ तथा अमात्सर्यम् अलोभं च दशपुष्पं विदुर्बुधाः अहिंसा परमं पुष्पं पुष्पमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः दया पुष्पं क्षमा पुष्पं ज्ञानपुष्पं च पञ्चमम् इति पञ्चदशैर्भावपुष्पैः सम्पूजयेत् भगवन्तं श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवम्. Now we'll be entering into the Upachara Puja, the external worship. The first offering is the offering of the asanam. Now please take some flowers and akshata in your hands and offer at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Asanam Om Sarvabhutantarasthaya Sarvabhutantaratmane Kalpayamyupaveshatham Asanam Te Namo Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Suvarnasanam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next offering is Swagatam. Now please take some flowers in your hands and offer the flowers at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Swagatam Om Shantatvat Sarvagatritvat Bhavo Paradikaranat Shivayukto Mahatantra Mantra Vidbhis Sada Shivaha Tasmai Shivaya Gurave Vitaraga Kalaya Vai Ameyatvatanandoyam Ajatvacha Prakirtitaha Yasya Darshanamichanti Deva Swabhishta Siddhaye Tasmai Te Parameshana Swagatam Swagatam Prabho Adya Me Sapalam Janma Jivanam Sapala Kriyaha Swagatam Yatvaya Tanme Tapasam Phalamagatam Om Hrim Sarvadeva Devi Swarupa Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Swagatam Suswagatam Te.
The next offering is the offering of Padyam. Now please take the Uddharani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Padyam Om Yad Bhaktilesha Samparkat Paramananda Samplavaha Tasmai Te Parameshana Padyam Shuddhaya Kalpaye Om Hrim Etat Padyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next is the Arghya. Now please take the conch in your hands and offer the Arghya at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Arghyaha Om Durvakshata Samayuktam Bilvapatram Tathaparam Shobhanam Shankhapadrastham Grahanargyam Maheshwara Om Hrim Yeshorgyaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swaha.
The next is the offering of Achamaniyam. Now please take an Uddharani of water in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Achamaniyam Om Mandaginyastu Yadvari Sarvapapaharam Shubham Grahanachamaniyam Tvam Maya Bhaktya Niveditam Om Hrim Idam Achamaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swadha.
The next is the Madhuparka. Now please take the Madhuparka and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Madhupargaha Om Sarvakalmashanashaya Paripurna Sudhatmakam Madhuparkamimam Deva Kalpayami Prasidame Om Hrim Yesha Madhuparkaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swadha.
The next is the Gandha Tailam. Now please take the Gandha Tailam, the scented oil, in your hands and offer it at His Divine Holiness Swamiji's feet along with the mantra.
Gandha Tailam Om